Hello folks, this is Bill Webb from Diversified Prosperity Wealth Management with a November 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this video we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. October was generally a good month for stocks as they recovered some ground after a turbulent September. Let's take a look at a few of last month's major events. Third quarter earnings season kicked off in October, and the news is pretty lackluster. Out of 253 S&P 500 firms that had reported in, profits were up just 2.4%, while revenues were down slightly by 1.4% over the third quarter 2014. What does this tell us? Well, it tells us that U.S. companies are still dealing with a lot of headwinds from issues like weak global growth, a strong dollar, and volatile oil prices. Now keep in mind that these are our overall results. If we exclude the struggling energy sector, total earnings would be 4.7% on 1.3% higher revenues. There are also a lot of individual success stories from companies that have achieved great results despite the challenges. As financial professionals, our job is to help our clients find those success stories. In other news, the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee met again in October and surprised no one when it voted to hold rates stable. However, the official statement told investors to hold on to their hats because a rate hike might come as early as December if the economy stays strong. But our first look at third quarter's economic growth showed that gross domestic product grew a paltry 1.5%. Now, this is just a preliminary report, and economists will revise the data several more times. However, we can see that growth slowed sharply as U.S. businesses cut back on restocking their warehouses. Will weak growth cause Fed to hold back on rate hikes this year? Very possible. However, many economists expect growth to pick up again in the fourth quarter given the underlying strength in the U.S. economy. So it could come down to the coin toss for the Fed. We'll keep you updated. For further economic updates, please visit our website at dpwmllc.com and go to the economic calendar page, which has many economic indicators. That's it for the November Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. We will be attending the World Affairs Council held at the Las Vegas Country Club on the 12th of November, and we are having a seminar on wealth management on November 19th held at CSN West Charleston campus. Once again, this is Bill Webb with Diversified Prosperity Wealth Management signing off for the month of November 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 702-550-1177. We'd be happy to talk to you. Now, for the required disclosure statement. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.